hope everyone has been having a great start to your year. I hope everyone is putting the work in. I hope everyone has been having a blast and enjoying life. So today I'm going over all my capital allocation when it comes to my net worth, where I have my money invested in. I decided to do this video because the last one that I did was in the end of August, beginning of September, and a lot has changed since then. I've been full-time, and now that we have lockdown and so on, I've had a lot more time in my hands, and I just decided to invest a lot more into my education on certain technology and further understand the companies that I'm already invested in. And you'll see that I reduced a lot, and my portfolio has changed a lot since my last video. I'm not going to bore you with the details. I'm going to jump straight into my spreadsheet. So first we are going to look at how my wealth is distributed between the different sectors. So I have around 6% in my savings account where I do not have any risk whatsoever, and another 6% in my BlockFi account, which is a crypto savings account where it just gives you passive income on your crypto. I have some of my crypto stored on BlockFi, some of them in cold storage. But yeah, BlockFi gives me around a 8% return on my investment every year. And on other assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, it gives me around 5 to 6%, which is a great return on investment and just a passive income stream that I have, which is great. Now, the biggest change that I've done was, first of all, in my stock portfolio, where if you can see from this screenshot, last year I was very diversified because I just started buying at the bottom of the market around in March. But then I just had a lot more time in my hands, so I started digging a lot more into Tesla and why Tesla is, in my opinion, one of the greatest companies in the future and already is. So instead of diversifying, I just decided to take on more risk to take on more reward too. So 98.3% of my portfolio is in Tesla stock. If you want me to do a deep dive onto why I'm all in on Tesla stock, I can do that in a separate video. We can go over the balance sheets and how I look at their balance sheets, and I can go over why 98% of my portfolio is in Tesla stock. For me, even though some people might think this is risky, it's a lot preferable than actually diversifying my portfolio. While I had a diversified portfolio, I wasn't getting as good of returns as I was getting in Tesla. And I didn't understand all the companies as good as I now understand Tesla. So if we look at diversifying, you are basically putting a little bit of money in each company, but are you really understanding the basis and the foundation of each company? Probably not. You just want to diversify your risk. But I would rather understand really well about one company instead of understanding a little bit about like 10 companies. So I decided to stop diversifying and actually going basically all in on Tesla. And then I just have a couple of shares of Apple, which are 2% of my portfolio. So yeah, that's about it for my stock portfolio. This is how I'm investing right now, and I'm extremely confident with it. So I'm not the financial advisor. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research and do not make any investment decisions because of this video. Now, in my previous video, I also said that I had around 10% of my net worth in crypto, which now completely changed. 50% is not really what I had in my crypto portfolio, but because we are in a bull market right now and I had great returns on my investment in my cryptos, that's why it now accounts for 50% of my net worth. Now, why am I so invested in crypto? Just like Tesla, I do believe that the blockchain and the technology behind cryptocurrency is going to be the future. If I would have to say what were the biggest technologies that are going to be developed in this next decade, it would be blockchain, electric vehicles, solar energy, meaning renewable energy, energy storage, artificial intelligence, and also genomics. I'm still trying to understand more about genomics and artificial intelligence, but If we look at the other ones that I said, blockchain, electric vehicles, energy, storage, and renewable energy. Blockchain, I have crypto for that, and for all the other ones, Tesla does it. If you want me to do a deep dive on Tesla, I'll do it. I'm just extremely bullish on Tesla. Now, for cryptocurrency, it's a little bit different. I am diversifying my risk, so I have mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum because I understand that they are the main coins. So I have some altcoins and I have Bitcoin and Ethereum the most. But my plan with crypto is, because we normally have around a 8-month bull market followed by a 3-year bear market, I would rather have some short-term gains in crypto than sell it off for either Bitcoin or stable coins, meaning USD or euros. For then, when winter comes, when the bear market comes, I can buy back in. So I can show you also my crypto portfolio, but here I'm extremely diversified. Why? Because I don't really grasp yet the technology and I do not have one preferred pick. And again, because we know that these types of cycles exist where we have a bull market followed by an extreme bear market. Last bear market we had a lot of coins just going 98% down, 95% down, 90% down. Bitcoin went 80% down. So if I can take advantage of this, I would be very happy. So I can show you my crypto portfolio, but again, here I'm diversified because I do not have one preferred pick, and altcoins give you a much better return than, for example, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost at a $1 trillion market cap, while other cryptos are like at the 10 billion, the 1 billion, and these need a lot less market cap in order to give me a 100% return on investment, 200% return on investment, and this is what has already happened. So again, I'm not a crypto channel. I'm not going to bore you with all the details of each coin. I'm just going to say that most of my wealth is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some of it is in Cardano and some of it is in DOT and some of them is in other altcoins. Again, these ones are the higher risk. So where I have around 40% of my portfolio in is in higher risk coins. But then I have Ethereum and Bitcoin. Once these coins start giving me a good return on investment, I will move those coins either to fiat or I will move them to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are the ones that I really believe in and the other ones are more short term. So that is my crypto portfolio. To sum it all up, 37% of my net worth is in stocks, mainly in Tesla stock. Again, if you want me to do a deep dive on Tesla and why I am so bullish on it, I can do it. Leave it down in the comments. Then I have 51% of my net worth in cryptocurrency, which again is another technology that I do believe is going to disrupt this new decade, such as EVs and so on with Tesla. Then I have around 11% of my net worth in savings accounts, because if there is a dip in Tesla, if there's a dip in Bitcoin, I am all over it and I'm more than happy to invest more. Now, one message that I want to get across is that everyone has different investment strategies. This just happens to be mine. I don't like to diversify. As you saw, with stocks, I do not diversify because I understand what Tesla is about and I understand the company. And then with cryptocurrency, I am more diversified because I don't really understand it as good as I should to not diversify. So I diversified my risk in cryptocurrencies and I did not diversify my risk on stocks. So now you know how my portfolio is now doing. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with the returns that I've been getting so far. With stocks, I do not plan on selling any stock, any Tesla stock, any Apple stock until I am at least 30. So I have a 10-year window, even more. I'm not expecting to selling Tesla stock anywhere near in the future. So keep that in mind. I'm not selling, but I will be selling cryptocurrency. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was kind of insightful. If you want me to dig deeper into Tesla, into their balance sheet, into their goals, I will do that in another video. I really hope you enjoyed, and that's basically it. See you next time.